Hi guys, this is Sudhir here. You're watching me on Bollywood Hangama. Have fun.
Sudhir is a professional, was a professional badminton player as well. He has teamed up with Pullela Gopichand, the Indian champion, as a doubles partner. How do you look at your entire badminton thing? And do you still? I'm sure that you still play badminton.
Not regularly, on and off, because I don't get the time right now.
It's good cardio.
It's a good cardio. It's not an easy sport the way it looks on TV, on screen.
Right.
It's like physically very demanding. You
Sure.
have to be fit to play that game, or else there are chances that you get injured. So I play on and off, but not on regular basis. Yeah.
Right. So how do you look back at this entire?
Actually-
apparently you were an Andhra champion. You're a Karnataka as well. Karnataka champion as
state
well.
champion, yeah. I think whatever I am today is because of badminton. Today, in case you see, Tiger has been working on gymnastics and martial arts from 5 years.
Yes.
I started doing martial arts from might be just 4 years back, or something like 3-4 years from the time I came into films.
Ji.
That's possible because I was fit. I played that sport, badminton. So I had the basic strength and flexibility with me all throughout. The day I wanted to come into films, when people are preparing to get into films and what they want to be, I'm already there. It's just a little bit of sharpness I need to do, some slight fitness, the dance, even everything, dance or fights, anything, comes with flexibility and strength. So in case you have that, and it's very easy to do that. And coming to the performance wise, I mean, you are exposed to extreme stress levels while you're playing badminton, or any sport for that matter. So you handle pressure in a better way.
Absolutely. So what is your fitness regimen like? What do you do for your fitness? What did you do for your training for Baghi first of all, and what is it that you generally do?
The main thing, I was very regular with my workouts before Baghi especially, and
How much time did you spend in
1.5 hours, that's it, morning, and might be in the evening some of these martial arts stunts and some boat racing or something during that period.
Right.
Sure. And it's majorly diet. I've increased it tremendously. I was eating whatever it's coming my way. So I put on almost 8 kgs for this film especially.
just to bulk up?
Just to bulk up, yeah. For in a span of 3-4 months,
So
I put on
what were you eating at that point of time?
excessive, a lot of proteins, a lot of carbs, a lot of fats.
Protein as in like regular food?
Food, and you can't eat so much of protein, and you obviously you need to take these protein powders. I mean some whey proteins or something like that.
Right.
Because whatever, you can't eat so much. In case I eat around 7 meals a day, and every meal I need 200 grams. I eat 200 grams of chicken or something, like, which is almost equivalent to 50 grams of protein or something. So to eat like that for 7 meals, you can't eat so much. So 1 or 2 meals you need to have that whey protein shakes or something, which are readily available for the body to absorb.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Majorly it's like sleep on time. That also help you so that you recover faster for the next day. Apart from that, not huge differences that's happening. 7 meals a day, that's what is the regular pattern.
So what like say for example now what are your 7 meals like when you start your day and
For now or for Baghi?
now for example?
For now, and I start at 8 in the morning. It's like every meal has protein or protein and carbs and fats. Okay, every meal has that, except for the last 2 meals.
Last 2 meals you don't have any protein?
I have protein, but I don't have carbs and fats.
Okay, so
While sleeping.
what is it that you eat actually?
Chicken, a lot of chicken. Every meal it's from 150 to 200 grams of chicken, and essential fats like nuts or olive oil. Carbs, I cut it down to 2 or 3 meals before or after workout, and 1 meal during the day, because I have a high metabolic rate. It varies from person to person, not like
Right.
everybody. It suits for everyone. So I can afford to have lots of carbs also, because I have a high metabolic rate and all that.
And but you avoid carbs in the night. Night.
Yeah, night.
And what do you have in the night generally?
I have either chicken, fish, or along with a lot of vegetables. That's my last meal.
A lot of vegetables in the night.
Lot of vegetables.
Like cooked or salad format?
Cooked also is fine. Because you need that little slight kind of fats in your body also.
Absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely. And when is it that you have your last meal?
Half an hour before sleeping or something like that.
Half an hour before sleeping.
Yeah, it's all scheduled like 2.5 hours to 3 hours. Every 2.5 to 3 hours I have 1 meal.
Right, fantastic. So I've just sneaked out some info. Okay, so that's fantastic.